Alright people, we got another one. I hope you're all doing well out there. By the way, happy holidays to you all, and especially for those of you that do celebrate. Well, today I've got a tips and tricks video for the Note 20 Ultra and for the Note 20, especially for the Note 20, because as you know, the memory of the Note 20 is not expandable. So I got you covered on that with the USB Type-C of SanDisk. This is a dual Type-C, by the way. Let me just zoom on that. Okay. This will get you covered in terms of memories. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. I don't know if my camera is focusing enough. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in a minute. Another thing is, if you have the old version, which is this, okay, I've got an older version, which is a Type B, you know, the old USB, this thing is not focusing, just a second. You need a dongle, which is this one. If you're a Samsung user, you should have this, okay. That's an adapter, Type-C adapter, that is going to help you out to convert. Okay, if you got any question, leave all your comments right down below. I'll be more than pleased to help you out. But before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Bang, 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 bang. Skrr, skrr, skrr. One thing I've got to tell you, I am not going to be talking on this video. If you need more info, go double check the many videos that I've done about how to utilize USB storage with your Samsung Galaxy or your Android phone. Double check the channel out. I got you all covered. We got you all covered out there. Alright? Feel free to double check or leave all your comments or your questions right down below. This is a little watch and learn video, so I'd like you to all watch and learn. Watch and learn to LA. Holiday, holiday, looks like we got paid. We could get away in my Chevrolet. It's a nice trip to LA. Holiday, holiday, looks like we got paid. We could get away in my Chevrolet. It's a nice trip to LA. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So if any of you out there still struggling, just let me know. I'll help you out. But don't try to be funny with your weird question, because I'm not gonna answer them and I will ban you from the channel. I'll block you. Alright, so just bear that in mind. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, happy holiday once again. And I hope this was helpful. And if so, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Turn on your notification bell. Turn it on. Ding, 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 ding. Turn on that bell so you won't be missing out. We love you all here and we love your support. So as usual, keep it safe, keep it late, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it, people. Bang, bang. Peace out.